Welcome to our show, where we reveal the secrets to financial success. Today, we'll discuss the 9 money habits that can pave your way to becoming a millionaire. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive right in. Habit number 1: set clear financial goals. To become a millionaire, you need a roadmap. Start by defining your financial objectives, whether it's saving a certain amount each month or investing in profitable ventures. Having clear goals will provide focus and motivation. Habit number 2: create a budget and stick to it. Budgeting is crucial for managing your money effectively. Track your income and expenses, prioritize savings, and cut unnecessary expenses. Remember, being mindful of how you spend your money is a key step toward building wealth. Habit number 3: pay yourself first. Always allocate a portion of your income towards savings or investments before paying your bills or spending on discretionary items. This habit ensures that you prioritize building wealth and allows your money to work for you. Habit number 4: educate yourself about personal finance. Continuously expand your financial knowledge through books, podcasts, and courses. Understanding concepts like compound interest, stocks, and real estate can help you make informed decisions and seize opportunities. Habit number 5: live below your means. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Avoid unnecessary debt and resist the temptation to spend extravagantly. By spending less than you earn, you'll have more money available for saving and investing. Habit number 6: invest wisely. Diversify your investments across various assets like stocks, real estate, and mutual funds. Seek professional advice if needed, and aim for long-term growth. Remember, patience and consistency are the keys to successful investing. Habit number 7: maximize your income potential. Look for ways to increase your earnings, whether it's through a promotion, starting a side business, or investing in your skills. The more income streams you have, the faster you can accumulate wealth. Habit number 8: network strategically. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who are financially successful. Build relationships with mentors, join professional networks, and seek guidance from those who have achieved what you aspire to. Their insights can be invaluable on your journey. Habit number 9: stay disciplined and be patient. Building wealth takes time. It requires discipline, perseverance, and the ability to resist impulsive financial decisions. Stay focused on your long-term goals and have faith in the process. There you have it. The 9 money habits that can transform your financial future. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not an overnight endeavor. It requires consistent effort, smart choices, and a commitment to financial growth. Thanks for joining us today. Start implementing these habits, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. See you next time.